If you're using Jira, you've probably faced the challenge of keeping your workspace tidy. Whether that means clearing out old issues, archiving stuff you might need later, or making room for new priorities. Well, in this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to archive, restore, and permanently delete issues in Jira. By the end, you'll know exactly how to safely set aside tasks you don't need right now, bring them back if plans change, or remove them for good if they're truly no longer needed. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about archiving an issue. Archiving is super useful when you're not quite ready to delete something permanently, but you also don't want it cluttering up your active boards. Maybe the task is on hold or you're waiting for another team's input. Whatever the case, you want it out of sight but not gone for good. Here, what you do, find the work item you want to archive, just click to open it. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner for those three little dots, often called the More menu. Click there and you'll see a list of actions you can take. Select Archive. That's it. The issue will be moved away from your regular view, tucked safely into the archived items. Give yourself a moment to double-check that you've chosen the right issue before archiving, especially if you've got a lot riding on your current list. Now, sometimes plans change. Maybe you archived an issue because the project was paused and now it's back on track. No stress, it's easy to restore archived issues. Just head back into the same Jira space where you archived the item. Look carefully. There should be an option or a filter, sometimes labeled as archived work items or something similar. Click through to see your archived items. Once you spot the item you want, click on it to open, and again, look for those three little dots at the top. Click Restore. This simple step brings it right back onto your active list, just like retrieving a document from a file cabinet. Don't worry if you need a moment to remember where that archived filter is. Jira sometimes moves things around depending on the version, so take your time and click around as needed. And now let's talk about deleting an issue. This is a more permanent action, so make sure you're absolutely certain before you proceed. Deleting an issue is like shredding a document. Once it's gone, it's truly gone. To delete an issue, again, just click to open the work item. Head up to those three dots, the More menu, and this time select Delete. Jira may prompt you to confirm, just as an extra safety check. When you confirm, that work item is removed forever. There's no going back or restoration option, so always pause and consider if the issue really needs to disappear for good. Maybe double-check with your team, or check if there's anything in the issue comments you want to save before you delete. Remember, archiving is temporary and reversible, perfect when you're unsure or expect changes, while deleting is permanent. Use the right tool at the right time to keep your Jira project clean and effective without losing anything important along the way. If this guide helped you feel more confident managing your Jira issues, please give this video a like. If you have any questions or you're running into something that isn't working the way we described, drop your question in the comments. I love helping out, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.